Good morning, all. I am Rushali Chaudhary, lecturer, Praveen Patil Polytechnic. We are going to learn basic science chemistry, subject code 22102 for semester 1. It is applicable to the all branches. In third chapter, we are going to learn the plastic. What is a plastic? It is an organic material having a high molecular mass, which can be molded into any shape and which is available in a different color, water resistant, heat resistance, bad conductor of electricity. That is obtained by the polymerization process. The process in which monomers, small unit, join together to form a long chain is called as a polymerization. Polymerization will take place in a two different way, that is called as addition polymerization, condensation polymerization. Polymerization is a process of joining monomers, small organic unit, to form a long high molecular weight compound that is called as polymer. Here we will observe monomer of ethylene which is having a double bond. When it is undergoes polymerization, it is double bond get breaks, it will form a long chain of small unit that is called as polymers are classified into two types based on the polymerization, that is the manufacturing process. First one is addition polymerization, when same monomers join to form a linear chain structure, it is called as addition polymerization. Second one, elimination or the condensation polymerization. Different monomers join together to form a cross-link or a network-like structure by elimination of small molecules such as water, HCl, in presence of catalyst is called as condensation polymerization. Example: nylon 66, nylon, epoxy resin, phenol formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde. Here two different monomers combine to form a network-like structure. So two different monomers are required. In a previous lecture, we already learned addition polymerization. In today's lecture, we are going to learn condensation polymerization. In this type of polymerization, different monomers join together with elimination of H2O, H2S, NH3 in presence of catalyst, heat or pressure, temperature. That is called as a condensation polymerization. Small molecules are removed and different monomers join. Example: formation of Bakelite. Phenol formaldehyde resin is commercially called as Bakelite. Where we are using this Bakelite, any idea? The cooker handle, the pan handle is made up of Bakelite plastic. It is a hard plastic, not affected by the temperature. Bakelite is formed by condensation reaction between the phenol and formaldehyde. Water is eliminated as byproduct. The reaction takes like this. This is the phenol structure and this is the formaldehyde, HCHO. These are two different monomers. In presence of catalyst, it will form a network-like structure, chain-like structure by elimination of water molecules. It's called as condensation polymerization. As the structure is network-like or the cross-link structure, it is more stronger than the linear structure. It is not affected by the heat. Even when we are heating this bakelite or the plastic, it does not become soft, it will remain hard. Therefore, for making cooker handle, pan handle, where the temperature increases, that time we are using the Bakelite plastic. It is not affected by temperature. That plastic is also called as thermosetting plastic. Their reaction: phenol, formaldehyde in presence of catalyst, it will form hydroxymethyl phenol and a chain of the phenol and formaldehyde. Alternatively, phenol group and formaldehyde join together to form a network chain-like structure by elimination of H2O water molecule. Here we will observe catalyst is sodium hydroxide, medium is water at a 70 degrees Celsius 1 atmospheric temperature. Heat of reaction, it is an exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved. Properties of phenol formaldehyde, it is a hard, rigid, scratch resistant and brittle material. Excellent electrical insulator. Heat and moisture resistance. Resistance to chemical and fire. High abrasion resistance. Excellent bonding and adhesive property. Adhesive means joining property. We are using Bakelite for making electrical insulator parts like electric switches, plugs, switchboard, heater handle. As it is a bad conductor of electricity, we are using insulator in making the switches, plugs, board, electric boards, circuits by using the Bakelite. It is used for making the telephone parts, cabinets of radio, television, outer coating of the television parts, your laptop, uh, computer parts that are made up of Bakelite. It is mixed with, impregnate with fabrics, wood and paper. It is used as adhesive for grinding wheels for the automobiles. It is used in the paints and varnish to make it water resistant. It is used as hydrogen exchanger resin in our water softening. What is meaning of water softening? Which is in the process of water softening, we are going to remove calcium, magnesium, hardness causing material. For making bearings used in a propeller shaft for a paper industry and rolling mills. Next example of condensation polymerization is epoxy resin. It is prepared by condensation polymerization of bisphenol and epichlorohydrin. The presence of alkaline catalyst at 60 degrees Celsius. This is the structure of epichlorohydrin and bisphenol. In presence of catalyst, they will form a network-like structure and epoxy resin is formed. In an exam, MCQ will be asked, what is the ingredient of epoxy resin? Epoxy resin is made up from which type monomer? Epichlorohydrin and bisphenol. Main properties of epoxy resin: high strength, low shrinkage, excellent adhesion to various substrate, effective electrical insulation, chemical and solvent resistance, low cost and low toxicity. It is used as an adhesive binding material for the electrical appliances. High strength and low shrinkage. Commercially, it is also called as araldite. In the market, it is available in the name of araldite, which is used for the bonding of glass, metallic and ceramic articles. It is used in aircraft industry, automobile, carpentry work where the high strength bond is required. As it is a electrical resistance, it is used for making insulator bushings for the high voltage. Insulating varnish also prepared from the epoxy resin. We are going to solve example MCQ based on this. Epoxy resin is an example of copolymer, monomer, homopolymer, elastomer. As epoxy resin is made up from two different monomers, it is an example of copolymer. Thank you for listening and your attention. If you have any question, you can mail me. Thank you so much.